All right, let's now take a look at Windy. And this app is actually one of my favorite weather apps just because it's fun to look at and there's colors and moving arrows and things like that. When you open it, here's the home page of it, and there's some different things to look at. It'll advertise for the pro. You don't just keep the free version. I've had it for years. The top left, the first thing you want to do is click the drop down menu and click settings, and we want units. So this very top selection, units. The only thing we're going to switch is the wind speed from miles per hour to knots, because remember, knots, that's what we use for marine forecasts, is we measure speed in the speed of the wind in knots. So do that first. Then from then on, you don't have to worry about it. Now we're going to click the very top right icon, and it looks like a map. And then we see a map of our area, exactly where we are. So the first thing you'll notice is right now, a lot of it looks green. So at the very, very top of the screen, there's a scale, and it has the wind speed in knots with a color scale over it, and you just read that color. So right now, in most of the area, we have like 10 to 15 mile an hour winds. If we zoom out, it's kind of cool to see how the further you go off the coast, the gnarlier, the faster the winds are, especially going north a little bit. And it's cool to just zoom way out and look at the whole globe. Just the crazy things happening everywhere around us. So we're going to zoom right back into little Monterey Bay. And at the bottom of the screen now, you can click, there's like a timeline. Right now it's close to 5, actually it's probably closer to 8 p.m. So 8, we can see the winds are slowing down a little bit more. Now we'll do 11 p.m. It's going to be nice and calm around midnight tonight. Not much wind happening at night. We could even look in the morning. Here's 2 a.m. Here's 5 a.m. Let's look tomorrow. Tomorrow during class. Pretty mellow winds all day tomorrow. So just right now it's kind of windy. So that's what I use this for. There is an extra credit opportunity for this weather report. And on here, you could look at all these little icons, and there's different icons that show like what kind of activities you could are like good in the area right now during these conditions. So if you zoom in, there's little go sailing, go fishing, go surfing, go different types of things. I will leave it to you to explore the app more to figure out which icons represent which sport. Some of them are obvious, right? The fish is going to be fishing. But that's what I use this app for, reading the wind.